Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on how to determine your ovulation cycle. Today, we'll be discussing the importance of ovulation in fertility, and how to track and identify your ovulation cycle. 1. Understanding your menstrual cycle. The first step to determining your ovulation cycle is understanding your menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is the process by which your body prepares for a potential pregnancy. It typically lasts 28 days, but can range from 21 to 35 days. The menstrual cycle has three phases: the follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. 2. Identifying the fertile window. The fertile window is the time during your menstrual cycle when you are most likely to conceive. It is the period of time when the egg is released from the ovary and can be fertilized by sperm. The fertile window typically lasts about 6 days, ending on the day of ovulation. 3. Signs of ovulation. There are several physical signs that can indicate when you are ovulating. One sign is changes in cervical mucus. During ovulation, cervical mucus becomes thin and stretchy, resembling egg whites. Another sign is an increase in basal body temperature. This is the body's temperature at rest, and typically rises slightly during ovulation. Ovulation predictor kits are also available, which can detect the presence of luteinizing hormone, a hormone that surges just before ovulation. 4. Tracking ovulation. Tracking your ovulation can be done using several methods. The calendar method involves tracking your menstrual cycle and estimating when ovulation is likely to occur based on the length of your cycle. This method can be unreliable for those with irregular cycles. The symptothermal method involves tracking multiple fertility signs, including cervical mucus, basal body temperature, and ovulation predictor kits. Smartphone apps and other technology can also be used to track ovulation. 5. Lifestyle factors. Several lifestyle factors can impact ovulation. Stress can disrupt the menstrual cycle and make ovulation more difficult to predict. A healthy diet and regular exercise can improve fertility. Maintaining a healthy weight can also optimize reproductive health. 6. Common myths and misconceptions. There are several myths and misconceptions about ovulation. One common myth is that women ovulate on the same day every month. In reality, ovulation can vary from cycle to cycle. Another misconception is that ovulation occurs during menstruation. Ovulation actually occurs after menstruation. In conclusion, determining your ovulation cycle is an important step in understanding your fertility. By tracking your menstrual cycle and monitoring physical signs of ovulation, you can increase your chances of conceiving. Additionally, lifestyle factors such as stress management, diet, and exercise can optimize reproductive health. If you are experiencing difficulty with ovulation or fertility, it's important to seek medical advice. Thank you for watching us today, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and family vlogs. Thanks for watching.